I bet you're wondering what that is all about. Well, I'm going to invite you to find out. Join me on February 16th and 17th for my upcoming Getting the Love You Want, a Valentine's Day weekend workshop where we will transform that to this. The focus of this workshop, because it's Valentine's Day, is going to be love. How to give it, how to receive it, how to talk about it. Because we all want it, we need it, and so we may as well be direct about it. Okay? So join me on February 16th and 17th for Getting Love You Want Valentine's Workshop. I'm Paula Smith, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. And so are these guys.